Next is the horizontal mattress suture, usually used in flaps that require tight closure. A horizontal mattress suture is a 4-point suture, and it will lay parallel to the incision line. Now, let's start. Take the first bite from the outer surface of the first flap. Continue to the opposite side, exit. Turn the needle around. Take a second bite from the outer surface of the second flap. Continue to the opposite direction to exit from the fourth point. Now, take a look at the horizontal mattress suture. 4-point suture, and it will lay parallel to the incision line. Pull suture. Now let's start tying the knot. Double throw in one direction. Tie the knot. Single throw. And this is the horizontal mattress suture.